Let me show you a very special car, one of 120 BMW ALPINA XB7. It cost about $181,000, but let's see what you're getting for that money. First off, for the first time, BMW and ALPINA, they're offering the Frozen ALPINA Green iconic color on the XB7. Now, if green it's not your cup of tea, you can also get the Frozen ALPINA Blue, another iconic color. Now at the front, typical ALPINA front end, of course, different than the X7 models. Not as aggressive maybe as the M Sport package. It's a combination of aggressiveness but also classiness that you get with ALPINA. And of course this really nice ALPINA logo, all blacked out, shiny, looks very, very cool. From the front, really, it will stand out as ALPINA, especially when you see it coming from behind and passing you. Now on the side, you will get also 23-inch ALPINA style wheels. ALPINA knows how to make wheels, and this is no exception. Very cool wheels. Of course, you get this blacked out element once again to go with the overall theme of the car, which is blacked out pieces from ALPINA manufacture, which is kind of the equivalent of BMW individual. Now, if you want people to know that you're driving an ALPINA, well, you can point out to this stripe right there. And that's gonna say, hey, I'm special, I paid a lot of money, and you're getting that. Of course, you need a lot of stopping power. It's got a V8 under the hood. So there you go. You get blue calipers, upgraded brakes on the car. From the side, of course, other than that, you won't really be able to tell it's an ALPINA, but that's okay, because when we go to the back, you will notice the ALPINA elements, and that starts with the round pipes. Right there, quad pipes, round shape. We do see these now on BMW cars as well, like the Speed Top and Sky Top, so that's quite cool. And once again, ALPINA manufacturer decided to make this very cool looking blacked out logo, and of course the XB7 as well. Now I did say, what are you getting for 181, which is not cheap? Well, let's see. There we go, 1, 2, 3. So if you're paying that much money, well, they decided to also give you some really cool handmade bags. Of course, ALPINA quality leather. You can see also the iconic ALPINA Green right there. Very cool logo, embroidery, kind of cool. Love these bags, maybe nobody sees me. Just kidding. All right, so let's put this back. Very cool BMW or ALPINA. Let's close this off. Let's open the door and see what's inside. So inside, a few things that stand out immediately. Of course, ALPINA logo right there, but you're also getting this ALPINA pin on the floor mats. Might not look like a lot, but it's a nice touch, once again, to say, hey, I'm special, I drive a very special car. Got the ALPINA logo on the steering wheel, so really no difference there. And then in the center, you will see the ALPINA 1 of 120, the metal plate right there. Then, of course, the ALPINA iDrive system. And you can see also the iDrive controller with ALPINA logo on it as well. If you look at the screen, it's got, once again, the iDrive 8.5, just like you would get in other BMWs. Now, if you look at the top of the headrest, you will see the same ALPINA embroidery as you've seen on the backs. So that's quite cool. Once again, I love that logo. I love that color. Very, very ALPINA. So that's the interior in a nutshell. Of course, high quality leather. In the back, you get captain chairs. I'm pretty sure you can order the bench as well. I'm not 100% sure. I can double check, but very, very cool. And you can also see it's a 7-seater right there. So this is the ALPINA XB7. Now the question is it worth the money? Well, I would say so, because this is one of the last ALPINA XB7s made for the US. They will change to a new generation in the future. I don't know exactly when, within the next couple of years. And then, of course, you're getting a few special things for that money, like this color or the blue color. So that makes it a little bit more unique on the road. So once again, if you love the ALPINA brand, if you love what they stand for, especially when it comes to craftsmanship and little details, this is the car for you. But let me know in the comments below if you would pay this much money for the ALPINA XB7, or you would just go for the regular X7 and blend in with everybody else. See you soon.